Hi guys, so I'm ready to start the questions. Today has not been the best day so far, so I'm actually quite excited to start doing some of this so I don't have to think of all the other stuff I have to do. Okay, so there's nothing extra to tell you, so I will just get on with the questions. We'll do I will put another short version of all the other stuff I've done so far, so I do have all of them in one small place, and that should be okay. So I don't expect to do more than some of these questions today, and I will let you know how many I will manage to actually do. So I do have from A to N, and I'm not sure if I will do the last question because it does tell me that I need to show the following sequences are unsound patterns of argument by finding actual propositions for P and Q. I'm not good with this, so I'm probably just gonna skip this one. I'm not gonna do actual propositions, and I do know what he means by that. He means this long Napoleon examples I've done 2 days ago or something like that. So all these long bits that I have to find out if it's actually true or not, if it works or if it doesn't, I think I'm kind of gonna skip them. I'm not into those kind of questions anyway, so yeah, I'm probably gonna skip those, hopefully. Anyway, so the only difference is that this time I will listen to music, which I've never done previously for some reason, but that's because I'm not in such a good mood. So I actually hope that this question will actually make me feel better after this, so we're gonna see how it's gonna be after. Okay, so speak to you in for me it's gonna be half an hour or something, for you it's gonna be a couple of minutes. First of all, sorry for the shadow, but it's just because it's quite dark outside that I had to open the light, so we will have the shadow on the book. So sorry. So I actually finished all the questions up to N. I'm actually very happy for this, though the last one was actually quite hard and I had to leave like a free space or something. So yeah. And then I got another like long one. I still got confused. I'm still confused on what numbers I have to put here. I have to read again what these beats here. These ones are kind of okay. I do understand they're kind of like rows. So they're like this proposition and stuff. And I do get how I get this ones over here. So these numbers come from like what proposition did I use with this property kind of. And I used 1 and 3. So I used proposition 1 and 3 to come up with the answer for, what was that, 5. So I do understand this bit and it kind of makes sense, but all the other numbers over here, I'm quite confused on how I put them. I thought first they're like rows, so this is row 1, 2, 3, 4, but then I have to use some sort of that to put here, but I think I got this one's completely wrong in most of the cases, so yeah, but I did manage to do something and I'm quite curious. This one here looks so close to the distributive law. I actually know, because it looks like P goes to Q and then P to R. So it looks like a distributive law. Maybe this is actually what it is and I don't know about it, but who knows. I've done quite a lot of work and I managed to do all of this in like, maybe not like half an hour, because I think it was like 35 minutes or something, but I did do all of those. I'm so proud of myself, to be fair. All of these like work. Looks quite good. Especially like the very hard ones. And I did get for some of them, for example, for this ones, I do feel like I've put too many assumptions. But who knows? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. They actually, I couldn't do the questions if I didn't put those assumptions, because I had absolutely no idea how to get the other propositions going if I couldn't like put those assumptions first. And they kind of erased and did again this one a couple of times, but it kind of worked. So I'm actually quite pleased. I like how this one looks nice and the book looks quite yellowish anyway. So next time I'm gonna do conjunction and disjunction, which is like the and or bit, which are this ones from the book. So that's and or. I still don't know what that is. I still haven't done that, have I? No. Maybe it's like, I don't know, where do they use that sign? I don't know. Anyway, you don't use it for a while. So I'm quite pleased with this one. Hey! They don't have much for this. Oh my goodness, they do have much over here. Anyway. So I think that's it. Again, sorry for the shadow, but there's absolutely no way I can read without the lights on. Okie dokie, so I will have all the pages again on Tumblr as normal, and all the other like extra bits, they're gonna be in the description below. Anyway, oh, I should put the sign in, though I haven't actually moved, to be fair, so I'm still at page 18. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.